What's up, guys? So race day, race one. Got the homies over at the house. We're having a little barbecue to watch and support Zach. I'm gonna be filming some of the highlights of the race as it goes along, and just present in spirit even though we're here in San Diego. So got the friends with me.
Yeah.
And the fam bam. We're over at my folks' house and we're gonna watch the race in their theater. So let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to Road America. I'm Zac Anderson, JCD's teammate. It's been about 2 weeks since JCD was here and had a Super Trofeo accident. This is the GT4 weekend. This is the weekend where me and JCD have partnered up and shared this amazing M4 GT4 behind me that's prepared by Autotechnic, an incredible GT4 outfit. We're just coming up on the weekend. It's really weird without JCD here. We've been kind of attached at the hip for a long time, for a number of years, whether it be coaching or racing. And either way, my spirits are high. I'm feeling good about our performance and where the BOP is. We took a hit from VIR because we dominated it. Yeah, we're gonna see what comes our way, where the chips fall. I know the Autotechnic crew is gonna do their best. JCD's on the phone with me a lot, helping me out, giving us support from California. So we're just out here doing our thing, putting one foot in front of the other, representing Autotechnic, and me representing, to the best of my ability, the hot shoe that is John Capestro do best. Just finished qualifying. I'm racing by myself, subbing for JCD, so I get to qualify the car both times for qualify 1 and qualify 2. I'm driver 1 and driver 2. I'm filling in for the whole race weekend. Qualifying 1 went pretty good, except we had, I think, a bad batch of tires. The tires never came in. I literally did the entire 15 minutes waiting for the pressures to come up, and we were about 1 second off of our actual pace. So that's frustrating. Came into the pits, put a new set on, and all of a sudden the magic was back in the car. We've been here for 2 days testing and practicing, and we've had incredibly good pace front running, top 2 kind of every practice. And that just, for Q1, that disappeared, and we got it back for Q2. We're lining up on the 3rd and 4th row in both races, so we're in the shot, we're in the game. Little bit confused, little bit frustrated with what happened in Q1. Car, like I said, just never came in. I was slipping and sliding, understeer, oversteer, entry, exit, center, just kind of holding on for dear life. So it was good to throw a new set on and kind of understand the car a little bit more. We'll move forward for races. We race a lot better than we qualify, always. We've shown that year in, year out. And I'm excited to run the whole race by myself. It's going to be incredibly weird not handing the car over to JCD and vice versa, but it'll be really cool to establish a really strong rhythm and see how the car changes and just kind of own it all by myself. All right, guys, so the coolest thing about GT World Challenge, GT4 America, Fanatec Series in general, SRO, is the accessibility to the drivers, the cars, The fans are basically our buddies, so we got an autograph session down the road. We're gonna go meet some fans, have a good time, chat it up. And yeah, I mean, the general vibe is just the accessibility of these SRO weekends, so it's a big positive. Let's go meet some people. Stay hydrated. Just pull a little bit of this in your mouth on the straightaways and you calm down. Calm down the monkey brain.
Love you.
Thank you. Well, that's all I got. So about to go out, race one, driving to grid. So I'm doing double duty, first time without JCD. So I've got to one, drive the whole race myself, and two, during the driver change, I gotta undo my belts and then run across over here, do the cold pit, and then get back in. And we get plus 3 second minimum line-to-line pit stop time. So it's a bit of a disadvantage, but there's a reason. I'm used to it. I'm acclimated. I know the track. I know the car. So I get back in and rip. So ready to go.
Conquest Racing, what a weekend they put it together here.
Phenomenal results.
Let's go, Zach. Let's go, buddy.
Storyline runs not too far behind. It's Zac Anderson, one of the dominant teams and drivers in the silver class this season.
Qualified in 7th, but he's running solo here this weekend. His usual co-driver, John Capestro-Dubet, still recovering from injuries sustained in a Lamborghini Super Trofeo race. There he goes. We wish you a speedy recovery, JCD. And I'm sure you're smiling because your boy, Zac Anderson, just put the move on Matt Travis. Yeah, big move there. We're glad to do this.
Let's go, buddy.
Get at the car.
Nice
unless
job,
you've been out on
Jesse.
this track, just how big that hill is.
Zac Anderson, third in the silver class.
Number 51 Autotechnic Racing BMW, let me hear it for Zac Anderson!
So just got out of the car, race one, feeling like $1 million, honestly. That was a lot of fun. Started in P7 after a lot of grid confusion, and it was my first race doing a full GT4 America race solo. It's really rare to do that, and there's a reason why people have a teammate. So, I mean, I did a lot of work coming from 7th up to, I think, 2nd overall before the pit stop, and came in, hopped out of the car, got back in, strapped in, had to sit there for 3 extra seconds, and the rest of the field just creeped right on back by. So all the work I just did, I had to redo. Thankfully, the car was a rocket ship. Autotechnic absolutely killed it. The tires, I was really worried about coming from qualifying because we were just all of a sudden like a second and a half off of our practice pace. But I think we fixed some pressure issues, we made some adjustments, and it ended up being a fantastic race car, and I moved through people, and aside from the last yellow, I think we had everything in the car and in myself to take it to the P1 driver, which congratulations to Makai Stevens and Jesse Webb. our pit mates right here. They deserve a good one. But they are also our championship rivals, so I really wanted to take points away from them today. Unfortunately, we didn't, but with the bad qualifying, I think we maximized the race in a big way. It was fun. I think we got a lot of TV exposure. Yeah, I got to thank JCD and everyone that put on the program so much. The faith and belief in me and the trust to drive this race car solo without John is a huge honor. It feels incredibly weird without you here, brother. Don't want to do it again. And man, I can't wait until you're back. Nobody is in that seat but you. So, miss you, man.
So our boy finished on the podium, P3. Let's go. Unfortunately, it did end under caution, which kind of sucks. He was looking super sporty there. So yeah, awesome job, Zach. That was fun to watch, buddy. And yeah, had us all up on the edge of our seats on that restart. Got those passes done, so that was freaking epic, bro. But yeah, man, looking forward to getting back. Missed being there, but congrats to Makai and Jesse. That was a good win, and congrats to Kenton and Boehm for their second, and of course to my boy. That was epic. Held it down, got a podium. So yeah, like I said, can't wait to be back, and tune in to catch more. Later, guys.
In turn 6, how about this performance from Zac Anderson? Difficult to drive by yourself. You have the whole rigmarole of jumping out of the car, jumping over the wall, and getting back in as a solo driver. You have the extra 3 seconds stationary in the pits. They had the issue at the start, too, where they plummeted out of the top 10, and yet, here we go again. At the end of the day, this 51 car has been the car to beat for much of the season. Big elevation change, 1 corner to go. That's all that separates Zac Anderson from another win. And a big day, a big weekend with the championship in mind. Kevin Boehm put up a fight. He's been able to keep him honest, but ultimately no one could deny Zac Anderson a winner in race 2 here at Road America. Auto Technic back in victory lane. Kevin Boehm crosses the line now with DJ.
Zac Anderson, after this weekend, we got a new nickname for you, the IRONMAN. Way to go, my friend.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you to the Auto Technic team. Thank you first and foremost to JCD, John Cabestro-Dubets, and his family, and all of the people that have supported us and made this year a possibility. Yes, thank you, John. You know, we chose to do this with me only because that's JCD's seat only. Nobody else is in that seat. So we put this program together ourselves, and it's just ours, so we're going to finish together. I'm carrying him on my back while he's injured, and he'd do the same for me. So just so grateful to have the people behind me that are supporting me. Thank you to my mom and my stepdad, Jay, who are here, flew all the way from Dallas, Texas. My wife, Charlie, everybody on the Auto Technic team.